Welcome to a tutorial on Microsoft Office 365 calendar. Did you know that the calendar in Office 365 has many useful features that can help you manage your time more effectively? In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about using the Microsoft Office 365 calendar to stay organized and on track every day of the week. Let's get started. Calendar is part of Outlook, so you have to go through Outlook to access calendar. So this is outlook.office.com. You have to sign into your Office account before you can access Outlook. So you can switch between your email and the calendar and other icons we have here. So click on the calendar icon. And here we have the calendar. We have some features here. You have some by the right side of this page. We have the calendar here and we have some options here. So let's go through these features one after the other. So here is the calendar. We have the calendar at the side and we have a larger view of the calendar here. So you can add calendar, click on this add this plus sign. So this is recommended. This is recommended. Then you can add your personal calendar. You can edit your calendars. You can create blank calendar. You can add from directory and other options. So you can scroll down to see other options. We have holidays, we have Team Snap, sports, and TV. So you can subscribe to any of these to view them on your calendar. You can subscribe to holidays, you can subscribe to sports, your favorite sports, and then TV. You can add all these to your calendar. So here we have my calendars. So if you click on these three dots, you can create a new calendar group and you can move down. So now we are on calendar, which is my calendar. So if you click on this, if you tick this shows United States holidays. So by default, we have United States holidays on your calendar. So we have different holidays in the United States. So another thing is this birthdays option. So you can click on more options, these three dots, and you can add a new birthday to your calendar. Let's see this. So let's say you have a new contact and you want to add his or her birthday to your calendar. You can add these details: the first name, the last name, contact information, and then the date. So when you are done, you can create and this will be added to your calendar. So before we discard this, you have other option, which is add more. We can add maybe middle name, the title, office. You can add address and personal web page, as much details as you would like to have in this new contact. So let's discard this. Are you sure you want to discard? Okay. So and the last option here is groups. So this will show the groups you belong, the groups in your organization, and you can view the calendars in the group. So if you click on these three dots, you can create a new group and you can add a list of things to your calendar. So this is all we have at the left side of this calendar. So let's move to this calendar. So we have different views. Currently we have the week view here. So if we click on this drop down, you will see different views displayed. We can see work week, day view, months, and board. So if you can change your display view, if you change this to day, you can see that we have just one day here. And you can change it to work week. You can see as we are changing this, it's reflecting here. So you can change to month view. And lastly, we have the board. So in this board is just like a visual display, is a visual display where you can add different things to your board. You can add your calendar, you can add other items to your board. So let's go back to week view. All right, so we have we can see here we have the weather for each day. So you can change this. If you don't want this to be displayed, you can change this in your settings. So this is what we have now. So now we can also create an event. Let's click on new event. If you want to create an event in Office 365 calendar, you come to this side, click on new events. So now you can add as many details as you want. You can add the title, you can invite attendees, and then go ahead to set the times, starts and end times. You can also change the time zones, and you can set the event to, you can set it to be a recurring event or not. You can see we have different options here. We have daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and custom. Also, you can set the reminder time. So this here by default is 15 minutes before. That means you'll be reminded 15 minutes before you start your meeting. So we can change this to 30 minutes or 5 minutes before, 12 hours before the actual meeting. And you can add a description or attach documents to your events. So at the top section, we have different options. So we have this scheduling assistant. So that's for scheduling assistant. You can add required attendees, you can add optional attendees, and you can add a room to that. And you can set your events to be all day or fix a particular time for that. And when you are done, you click on this done. So let's discard that. So we have response options, we have request responses. You can allow your teammates to respond to your meeting to know their schedule. You can allow forwarding, or you can disable it and then hide attendee list. So you can set your availability to show as free, working elsewhere, tentative, busy, away, and private. And the last thing here is categorize. You can change the color of this. You can change it to blue category, green category, and you can create a new category and as well manage categories. All right, so let's we're done with this, and that's how to create an event in Office 365 calendar. So when you've created an event, you might want to share your calendar with your friend or your colleague. So just come to this side, click on share. So you have to enter an email address. So you can either share this calendar with people in your organization or people outside your organization. So what you have to do now is to enter an email address and then click on share. And then also you can set your permissions to not shared, can view when I'm busy, can view titles and locations, can edit and so on. That's how to share your calendar and also set permissions for the attendees. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more video tutorials.